A gift you can make with things you already have in your house. Oh yes, please! Beautiful handmade vase doesn't cost you a thing. Have a look at my tutorial. You need a vase you don't really use anymore. Like this yellow one I haven't used in ages. You need a spray paint. I'm using RustOleum's Paint to Touch in Candy Pink. And we're gonna need some beads. I stole these from my toddler's craft box, but any beads will do. And then I'm using Gorilla super glue as well. And it's really simple, you just add some super glue to your vase and stick a bead on top. We're gonna do this in a random pattern and hold the bead down for a few seconds until the glue has set, and then you move on to your next bead. I think that's enough beads. Rather liking it like this though, with all the color, but let's go and spray paint it pink. That's the first coat done, and let this dry and apply a second coat. I love this little vase, especially as it's made of materials I already had in my house. It didn't cost me anything and I got a very unique gift. If you enjoyed this video, there's plenty more of that here on the Handmade Home channel, so subscribe not to miss out on any of my future videos and have a look at my back catalogue of tutorials. I hope to see you soon.